Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a couple of days of daily planning in my EC Daily Duo. Hey everyone, I hope that you are doing well. I hope that you are as ready for the weekend as I am. If you are watching this on Friday, happy Friday to you. I'm excited for the weekend. I'm ready. So let's jump right into it. So I have grabbed one of the Chrissy & Designs journaling type kits situation. I have some of the journaling pages, not all of them, and then some of the daily duo sheets. Now you guys know I don't always get like too decorative and using kits in here. In fact, the last few days have been quite busy to where I haven't even planned every single day. I skipped a lot of days, started off with some stickers, and then like this is how it gets. Now I'm kind of like, let's go with the stickers, right? I really love this kit from Kristen. I've been meaning to make sure that I order the Daily Duo kits when I order these, but not gonna lie, I'm kind of in like, do I stick with A7 or A7? My goodness, I just made up a new size. Do I stick with 7x9? Do I don't know. Do I go down to the A5 size? I'm just not entirely sure. I have been loving A5 for weeklies. If you're following me over on Instagram, then you know that I have been absolutely loving the new EC Compact Vertical or Vertical Compact. I don't even know what the heck we're calling it. I love it. The size, you guys, don't worry. Stay tuned for next week. I am going to post some plan with me's with that, along with some ideas, things like that. It's such a great size. I love the book. Okay, so here we go with Friday, and I'm just going to go ahead and cover up Saturday as well. And another thing that I've been loving that just came in one of my recent orders are these sticky notes from EC, and they come in this 2-pack. I mean, like, it was one of those things like where you add things to your cart and it's like, add this too. And I was like, wait, what? So they're kind of like stuck together. So one side has this like pastel blue and then the other side is this pretty blush pink. And it fits perfectly on the ruler. And I just keep like running lists on here. It's kind of messy. I don't really care. But these are great. So I highly suggest getting these also because they're not like super decorative. They're pretty simple and plain and functional, and I really love that. All right, so let me get that stuff out of the way. Let's move on to Saturday. I love that Saturday has a bit of a pattern to it. Very, very pretty. All right, and let's get the 30th on there. All right, there we go. And then one of the things I kind of wanted to jump into right away was the decorative pieces, just because I know that I'm gonna use these in this big square. I don't always use the big empty square down there, so I really like just covering it up and not really thinking too much about it. So I think on this side, I'm just going to keep it pretty simple and use some of these pieces right here. Do we want to go like this or like this? I kind of like it like this because this side always feels kind of empty that way. And then I don't think I'm going to really add much else. Now over here on this side, I kind of wanted to take this bigger circle along with some of the other smaller ones and kind of layer it and cut off like the excess, if that makes sense. I kind of like love that look in people's planners when they've gone right to the edge and they have to cut off the extra. All right, let me grab my little handy dandy scissors. And there we go. I don't know, I think that looks pretty cool. I know I didn't cut off that much, but I like it. All right, so let's start with this Friday. So today is a work from home day for me. Let's see, I think I want to start with my typical stuff at the top. I'm going to grab my Chrissy & Designs stencil here. I love this thing. And the pen that I'm using, this is a Sarasa Dry Drift Grip in 0.5. Definitely writes more like a 0.7. It does, especially on this paper. It's really, really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys in closer so you guys can actually see everything. So of course I started off with my AM routine, and then I just like to put medication and vitamins right underneath that. Okay, now I'm going to carve out the time for work using my ruler, and I think I'm going to need some work stickers as well. but my work day is starting at 8 today, and I'm loving that the sun is out in like full blast. I very rarely get full sun this early in the morning, but I can tell that that means summer is right around the corner because that's when I get the most sun. And I'm just going to, because my day is ending right about here, which is awesome because I'm going to get caught up with some content, especially because I will be out of town for a large portion of next week. Well, not a large portion, it's mainly the weekend, but also Friday, which is typically when I batch a lot of content for the upcoming week. So this will be perfect. All right, let's grab a work sticker because this kit definitely does not have that, and that is okay. And I think I'm gonna go with the light blue because that's not typically a color that I would pick. So that's what we are going with. All right, let's grab these tweezers. The blue isn't a perfect match, but it's gonna have to work. All right, so I do have one meeting at 10 o'clock. Thank goodness there's only one, and thank goodness it is in the morning. All right, and then I want to use, let's see, I am gonna film this afternoon, so I think I'm gonna use this larger square right here from the journaling kit and just kind of put that right about here. I'll definitely be done before 4, but this is definitely more than enough space. And I think that I grabbed some text stickers from Kristen that say film. Sure did. It's in this beautiful typewriter font. So I'm gonna use that, and I'm definitely gonna grab the tweezers because this is a tiny one. And I'm just gonna kind of plop that right on there. And then I'm going to use the stencil again, but this time with the permanent marker from Chrissy & Designs. Super excited about getting caught up with some content because, as you guys know, I did not have a video that went up on Wednesday, so I kind of hope that I can get just kind of get things caught up again. Let's see, is that spaced out properly? I'm not entirely sure. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. This actually looks really nice. Okay, so of course I'm filming this daily plan with me. That's happening way up here, but I'm going to add it to this list. Then I'm going to finally get done my May plan with me, which was supposed to go up today, but it's going up probably Sunday, which is perfect because that's May 1st. And then I also want to work on my weekly plan with me, so I'm not having to film that on Sunday. That is perfect. Okay, then I'm going to, let's see, do I want to use any of these things? I feel like I'm neglecting this side or this sheet. So one of the things I definitely want to do is use this sticker for the weather, or does that cover that up perfectly? I can never remember if that covers it up or not. Ooh, it does. Okay, I love that. Love that. That's where I'm gonna put the weather, and then the weather for today is a high of 78 and a low of 62, and it says it's gonna be partly cloudy, but so far it's pretty darn gorgeous outside. So let's use this one right here, and I'm just gonna put that right in the middle. I love her like little doodle, actually I'll just put it at the top, her little doodle stickers for the weather. All right, and then I think I'm going to use the little priority sticker right here to cover up the to-do. I was going to use the today I will, but I might save that for tomorrow just because there's a lot of blue going on over here, and I want to kind of give myself some balance. And actually what I think I'm going to do, hold please. Oh man, I'm going to layer it on top of this. All the layerings. I love that. I think it looks really good. Okay, next let's use a little bit of a divider here. And I'm gonna use that right about here. Yeah, that'll be more than enough space. And that's just where I'm gonna put some additional social media tasks. And I'm gonna use the little like situation over here. I know that I have some social media stickers. I can't remember if it's in the typewriter font. I have film, edit, meal plan, workout. Nope. But I know that I have them in my font, which I love. And it's gonna fit perfectly on that line right here. Ugh, love that. Okay. I'm way too excited about these stickers. Okay, so for tasks today, I'm sure you can hear it. Maybe you can't, I don't know, but I am definitely doing laundry. I've already started. I'm on the second load of laundry and I couldn't be more excited. I need to vacuum downstairs. Our Roomba is having issues, so yeah, no fun. And then I also want to vacuum upstairs. And then at some point today, I kind of want to revisit our budget because May is right around the corner. It's a big month for me, which means I'm a little extra spendy because it's my birthday month. Okay, so for social media, I definitely want to post an IG reel today. I'm gonna probably edit a video or two at some point today. Just don't know what time. Definitely need to go through emails and of course comments and messages. Now back over to this side for my schedule. I want to mark dinner time. Do I need a sticker for that? Not really. I'm just gonna do the ruler situation like I always do. That's gonna happen at 6. Normally it's a pizza night for us, but to be quite honest, I'm not feeling pizza very much today. It may be a sushi night. Either way, it's gonna be takeout. All right, and then tonight at 7 o'clock, I have got my Friday Night Live. I'm gonna use this, actually let me use something a little bit smaller. It doesn't need to be that big because it's at 7 o'clock Eastern time. So if I get this video up on time, I hope that you will join me. It's a good time. We have a lot of fun. I'm excited about it. And that's gonna be at 7 over on Instagram. Instagram Live. Love going live on Friday nights. Every other Friday night to be exact. Not totally sure that I love that, but it will do. It will do for now. All right. All right, that is it for my Friday daily plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure that if you are subscribed, you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.